Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 20 of this house build. Let's get started. So this is just a brief example of our rendering. I'm just gonna undo that rendering now. And what I want to do is just go right here and just go right here in Spotlight. I think this is ES. Yes. So this one should be moved right here. This in the middle, and then let's just add one more for this one, so everything looks good. You can move it right there, so I'm happy with that. Now lastly, we're gonna add in our stuff. We are going to create our image. So the first image that I want is from this view. I want to cut off this view, probably by adding another car. Maybe we could add another car, 180 on that, and then just add it right here. At the same time, I want actually to put this one a little bit front and then grab everything else. And then this can be moved as well, so that we have a more nicer view like that. So I'm just going to move everything else. Something like that. I think I'm happy with that. I just need to move some of this right here and some of the rock, and move this one right there. And then I'm gonna take an image like that. I think that's good enough. It covers everything. It looks populated. That's one of the important thing. Image. So create image. I'm gonna set up like that. This one should be high. So at least that one, it will be looking like that. Once we set this up, I'm just going to move it a little bit. Like that. And then go back to the image. I'm just going to change my speed to number 3, and then give it like that view. Refresh that so that it record what you change, and then make sure you have that. So we need to move, so that's why we need to undo that again. I'm going to change the speed again to number 4, and let's add it like this. So I'm going to take a image again, and I'm going to click on that toggle button, and this one should be change as well. I want this nice view right here. And then create this one again. So we always go back there. This one I'm just going to move it more. Refresh that and then click on this. And then here again, I want a front view. Without the grass. So that looks perfect. So I'm gonna create a view again. Make sure to change this. And then now we need to update this one as well. And then we need to go back to media. So we could rate that, and then we could quit right here, because once we go back here, everything is like that. Make sure to save it, and then go back to media, and then we're gonna create our view, our videos. So here we start off our videos like this, maybe like that, and then create a video, and then move forward. So basically this is the introduction. So create the free keyframe, and then maybe change this to 8 seconds, because we don't want too much. We don't want too much of that 10 seconds. So even for this one, it's kind of boring if you put it 8 seconds. So maybe 6 seconds will be a nicer time for that. So here, number 6, we're going to move this one as well right here. Create a new video part. Move it forward. And then 6 again. And then go back right here on this side. So we're making a cinematic video basically. So I'm just going to change that, move forward again, and change this to 6. So now if we replay everything from the start, it will go forward, going to cut, going forward on the side, and then on the other side as well. So kind of nice transition. And then after that, I always like the view like here. Select that, move it to the center, add a keyframe, and then another keyframe. So now it will look like this. I'm usually gonna leave the 10 seconds because that's good enough. And then I'm going to add a shot like this. view like that, and then put this one in 3 seconds. Another shot like this. Three seconds. And then I could start right here. We have a nice view like that. Create a new video part and then do this. And then I'm going to change this to 8 seconds. And then I also do something like this. This one should be around 5 seconds. And then this one as well. Add another one. Going up. Another 5 seconds. After that, we go back now. We finalize everything. Click here and then just go back. So this one should be around 7. Make it 6. And then let's see how it looks. That's good enough for me. And now let's go back here. We need to duplicate this. And then another one. Rename this one to show reel. And then this one, let's rename this to shorts. And then here, click on more, change the format. I want custom. And then this one should be around 700 by 1000. And then you just need to review the shorts to see how it looks. So I'm reviewing what we've done, checking that every frame is still good enough for the shorts because we changed the width. Especially with this going up, that's the one that I wanted to double check the most. But it looks like it's good, so I'm happy with this. Make sure to save it first, and then once you're ready, go to export. Here under video, select all. So for me, what I do is I don't do it all at once. I do the video first, and then maybe because this is a path tracer turned on, it will take longer. So for me, I just want everything to be fast first. So I do the video, and then I do the image right after because that will take longer. So for me, right there, I'm gonna put that. See, this one is GM, and then video, and then select this file and then export it there. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.